The writing of critical historical narrative is known as historiography. The contribution of many scholars are important in the history. Do you want to know who some of these notable scholars are? Yes. So students, we are going to see some few of intelligent notable scholars of the history. The first among the notable scholar is René Descartes. He insisted that the written history should not be taken on its face value, rather every fact must be verified and critically examined. He wrote a book entitled Discourse on the Method. He told to people to never accept anything for true till all grounds of doubts are excluded. His thoughts had a great impact on scientific method of research. Second one is Voltaire, 1694 to 1798. Francisco, famously known as a Voltaire. Voltaire was a French scholar. He is also known as the founder of modern historiography. Voltaire believed that history is not about writing facts objectively and in a chronologically order alone. It should also include social, traditional, trade, economy, agriculture, etc. His ideas insisted the tradition of including different aspects of human life in writing of history. This is why he considered the father of the modern historiography. So the Voltaire is the father of modern historiography. So students, next one is George William Friedrich Hegel. He was born in 1772. He was a German philosopher, asserted that historical reality should be presented in a logical manner. He considered the timeline of historical event as an indicator of progress. He argued that the presentation of history is bound to change because new piece of evidence will continue to surface and alter our understanding of history. Hegel believed that anthropological discussion on two opposite views of an event, which he calls thesis and antithesis, help to understand the true nature of event. Hence, it is necessary to know the good and bad, true or false, and progress of arriving at the new thesis is called synthesis. The book Encyclopedia of Philosophy and Sciences is a collection of his literature and article. He wrote a well-known book called Reason in History. So students, next one is Leopold von Ranke. Leopold von Ranke was one of the most influential thinkers in the 19th century. He believed that the information gathered through original document is of a prime importance. He also opened that the historical document have to be examined with the utmost care before reaching the historical truth. He criticized imaginative narration of history. The Book of Theory and Practice of History and The Secret of the World History are the collection of his articles. Student, next notable scholar is Karl Marx. He was born in 1880. Karl Marx proposed that society is made up two groups, rich and poor. These two classes always struggle against each other. The struggle arises because the rich controls everything through which money is generated. For example, land and money, among other things. Therefore, the rich class control power. This is why our society is divided into two different classes, which are consistent struggle with each other. So he described history as the history of class struggle. The class owning the means of production exploits the rest of the classes. In his book Das Kapital is a world famous book. So Karl Marx was written a Das Kapital. It is a world famous book. He says about the capitalism. He says the person who having a money, he is the capitalized and he is the owner of the society.